Hey guys, we're back. We're coming to you live. Well, not really. We pulled off the sprockets, we pulled off the chain, we pulled off all the covers. We inspected the springs were okay and the shifter was okay, so that means it's on the inside of the block. Today we're gonna loosen up drive belt pulley. We borrowed a socket about this big. Our buddy John the man, he lent it to us. So we're gonna take that thing apart today, take off the primary and see how far we get with dropping the block. Stick around, watch us drop the block.
Alrighty, what we're gonna do is heat up the ball that is holding the pulley, because it's been Loctite in position, so just to melt it a little bit so that it will come loose a little bit easier, I hope. Then use the big tool that we borrowed from our buddy
Mr. J.
Mr. John.
Oh, that's a big mother.
Yeah, it's a big one.
Thank you very much for noticing.
You're most welcome. Enjoy the little things, brother. Loose. Look at the concentration on his face. Almost like a professional. God damn it, more work. You see, that's why we need more likes. Our workshop is falling apart.
Enjoy the little things.